Hey there beautiful people, if you're rocking cornrows like me, you know how easy it is for your hair to get dry and brittle underneath. But today, I'm going to show you how I keep my 4C hair moisturized using products that cost me just $5. Yes, affordable and effective. Let's get into Firstly, I'm going in with water. There's actually warm water inside this bottle because I'm a low porosity hair currently. So many people think you need expensive products to keep your hair healthy, but that's not true at all. And I'm all about keeping it simple, affordable, and most importantly, effective, especially when your hair is in protective styles. Next, I go in with the Mega Growth Leave-In Strengthener. Now, this leave-in strengthener is just 2,500 naira. That's about $1.63, or let's just say $2. So you see, my products are really cheap and effective. Now, there's something I'm trying out with my leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner already has protein, already has a lot of oil. So then I decided to add my coconut oil in. Now, don't ask me why, because I don't know why, but I just decided to add coconut oil to the leave-in conditioner to see how it feels on my hair. So let's see. I'm going to make a different video of how that worked out or didn't. And this is the last product. This is just coconut oil. I've always been an advocate for coconut oil because that's literally the only oil I've used since I started my natural hair journey. I've not tried any other oil, and I should try other oils. I will very soon. But yeah, this is just what I use, coconut oil. And I also make sure I oil my ends because those are the easiest parts to break off. So I always oil my ends too. And for the most important part, I massage my scalp. I do this routine for 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how dry my scalp feels or my hair feels. And also, do not forget to cover your hair at night with a satin scarf or bonnet. This protects your moisture and keep your braids looking fresh for a long period of time. If you want more affordable hair care tips like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below telling me your favorite budget-friendly hair products. Let's grow and glow together.